Welcome. As the world revolves around data, we all know that every day the world generates a high volume of data. And today we want to just start a series with some information about data and its components around the world. To begin it, let's first explore something. First, let's look at the global scale of data consumption. The world generates a mind-blowing about 10 zettabytes of data each year. Breaking this down into further molecules, monthly data consumption stands at around 8.3 zettabytes, and on a weekly basis we look at it approximately, which is about 1.92 zettabytes, and daily it evolves around 0.27 zettabytes. This figure illustrates the closing scale of global data usage and emphasizes the rapid growth fueled by technology advancement and surge in digital activities. Now, we all know how important data is. There comes in the question where this data are stored. With such an immense data, where do it all goes? This data is typically stored in three main types of storage systems. We have database, we have data lake, and we have data warehouse. First of all, let me explain what is the database. Traditionally, the database is a widely used system where structured data is organized and managed. For data lake, it's a large repository that stores raw, unstructured, and structured data in a native format. For data warehouse, it's a centralized system that coincides and processes structured data for analysis and reports. But wait a minute. In all this, what tool is used to process and mobilize and fix all this data? We have something in mind. There comes the role of the structured query language. Yes, the structured query language is of different type, though it might vary on syntaxes. Like we have the Postgres SQL, we have the Microsoft SQL, and we have the MySQL, which I'm going to introduce in this very series. But wait, what role does MySQL plays in this particular environment? MySQL is used to store data, manage databases, query data, building web applications for data analysis, data backup and recovery, transaction management, data reporting, and application development, and many more. At this point in time, you might be wondering who uses SQL. Well, SQL is used by developers, also used by people like data analysts, data scientists, data engineers, and many other occupations. And it is a language that is widely used, and it is much more efficient for data management. That's our update today for global update on data consumption and introduction to MySQL. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, share, and follow for more insight. This is going to be a series.